Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 176. If we start with this box, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this row now, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 7. 3 here, so 1, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 1 covering these two boxes, so our 1 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this column, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 5. That 8 makes this our 9, 8. For this box now, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 7. 5 here makes this our 2. 5, that makes this our 2. For this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this top row now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 9. But I don't see any other help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this box now, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 5, and no help here. 1, 2, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 7. We've got 1, 2, and 4 here, so this is our 7. That 1 and 2 makes this our 4. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. That 2 makes this our 5, 7, 5, 1, 2. And that 5 makes this our 2. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this row now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this box, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. Oh, and this 7 makes this our 5, 7. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. And to finish out this box, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.